Every computer component explained. Beginner-friendly in 2 minutes. Motherboard.
This is the motherboard, the big green board where everything connects. Think of it as the central highway of your PC, CPU, RAM, SSD, all roads lead here.
CPU, processor.
Next, the CPU, also known as the processor. This is the brain of the computer. It handles all the instructions and does the actual thinking. Faster CPU equals faster PC.
RAM, memory.
RAM is your system's short-term memory. When you open apps or browser tabs, they load into RAM. More RAM means better multitasking, smooth and fast.
Storage, HDD versus SSD.
Now let's talk storage. Hard drives, HDDs, are slower, older tech, but cheaper and great for large files. SSDs are modern, lightning fast, and boot your system in seconds. If you can, always choose an SSD.
Graphics card, GPU.
Gamers, video editors, 3D designers, this one's for you. The graphics card, or GPU, is responsible for rendering images, videos, and games. Better GPU equals better visuals.
Power supply unit, PSU.
The power supply unit, or PSU, brings electricity to every part of your PC. It converts power from the wall to the perfect level your components need. Always invest in a reliable PSU, don't skip on this.
Case, chassis.
The case, it's more than just a box. It protects your components and keeps everything in place. Some are built for airflow, others for RGB style.
Cooling system.
When things heat up, your cooling system keeps it cool. Fans, heat sinks, and even liquid coolers make sure your CPU and GPU don't overheat.
Wireless card.
If you use Wi-Fi instead of cables, thank the wireless card. It helps your PC connect to the internet wirelessly, like magic, but real.